We learn how to use ChatGPT to make mockups. So, our first step is to write a good prompt. For example, I want to make a box mockup for my brand. So, I'll type out a specific prompt. The prompt must include whatever the object you need around the box, the background, the color, and everything. Consider ChatGPT as a child. We're explaining bits by bits. So you can see I have described the background of the mockup that I need grass, the perspective that is from the top or right side or left. And there should be wooden toys around because my company is a natural toy company. So I need to make the mockup in, more precise. So you need to remember the perspective, the object that you want to mock up, the background, and if you want to add some elements or not. Describe each and everything. If you want the box color to be white, mention it. If you want a child holding the box, mention it. Mention the age. Mention it should be girl or boy. Everything should be in detail. I repeat, everything should be in detail. So after doing this, we will save this image and open it in Photoshop.